Let's shift our focus to Saudi Arabia, where Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman has announced a ban of iftar in mosques ahead of the holy month of Ramadan. The Crown Prince has cited concerns over cleanliness in mosques after iftar feast. It is pertinent to note that this is the first such incident that has taken place in the Islamic kingdom. In a post on social media platform X, the Ministry of Islamic Affairs shared the notice issued by the Saudi Arabian government stating, and I quote, "The iftar project should not be carried out inside mosques out of concern for their cleanliness." The notice further orders clerics and muezzins to place fines for iftar in courtyards of mosques and urges not to set up any tents or rooms for the same purposes. The Saudi Ministry of Islamic Affairs also laid emphasis on not collecting monetary donations from those who will be observing fast during the holy month of Ramadan. Along with banning iftar meals in the mosques, the Saudi Arabian government has also discouraged broadcasting or live streaming of prayers inside the mosque.